Valley Career and Technical Center, located in Augusta County, Virginia, is the premier CTE center. While we have a wide variety of courses available, it is our hope that these series of videos will help you find your pathway to the future.
Hi, my name is Chef Pfeiffer and I'm the Culinary Arts Instructor here at Valley Tech. I am the Culinary Arts Instructor because I love food. I love cooking food, I love eating food, I love sharing food. And I started my culinary journey when I was in high school at a very similar school just like this one, about 2 hours north of here. After that, after my program, my culinary arts program, which changed my life, it inspired me, it excited me, made me realize the possibilities in a culinary arts career, I went on to study at the Culinary Institute of America in New York. After that, I traveled around the country, cooked in different restaurants. I was a sous chef, I was a line cook, I was a bartender, I did a lot of different things, and now I'm back here in the classroom, sharing my passion for cooking with my students and hoping to inspire them for their careers.
Hey, my name is Alex Monist, and I'm from Waynesboro High School. I joined culinary, and the reason why is because I love cooking. I've always loved cooking. I cooked when I was a baby with my grandma. And I think for the future, I think I want to be a pastry chef, and I want to work at some restaurants, maybe on my own someday.
One potential pathway that studying in the 2-year culinary program here at VCTC could lead to is that of a chef. There are many different types of chefs with varied earning potentials based on experience and location. If you think our culinary arts program might be for you, contact us further to learn about shadowing opportunities, tours, and application dates.